Lin-Manuel Miranda is an American actor, singer-songwriter, playwright, rapper, and filmmaker. He is known for creating the Broadway musicals In the Heights and Hamilton. The musical Hamilton was a huge success as it was produced as a historical fiction musical drama film of the same name consisting of a live stage recordings in 2020. It was directed and produced by Thomas Kail and produced, written, and composed by Lin-Manuel Miranda. He also starred as Treasury Secretary and Founding Father Alexander Hamilton, along with the musical's original principal Broadway cast. On June 15, 2015, when rehearsal for the musical Hamilton started, he wrote the following on his Twitter account, along with a photo of him lying in a hammock on the beach and reading a book. In 2008, I bought Cherano's Hamilton bio to read on vacation. This means that he got inspiration for the musical Hamilton from the book. About this, he said in a live-streamed interview, "It's no accident that the best idea I have ever had in my life came to me on vacation. When I picked up Ron Cherano's biography of Hamilton, I was at a resort in Mexico on my first vacation from In the Heights, which I had been working 7 years to bring to Broadway. The moment my brain got a moment's rest, Hamilton walked into it. Research does support the notion that rest promotes productivity and creativity because our brain needs time to dream, solve problems, learn and create new ideas. From this point of view, Miranda's story serves as lessons for those who feel too busy to take a break. Please take a break.